Ready to level up and become a real cybersecurity expert? Welcome to Digital Training Hub, the platform that turns technical learning into an immersive, hands-on, and gamified experience. Here, you don't just learn, you play, compete, level up, and build real-world skills. Explore interactive labs and CDEF-style challenges. Capture the flag, created by top industry professionals and designed for all levels, from beginners to advanced. Our structure is built on the NICE Framework, National Initiative for Cybersecurity Education, enabling a clear and personalized path based on your role and skill level. Earn points, badges, and certifications as you prove your talent in real-life scenarios. Connect with a vibrant community, join forces in team missions, share knowledge, and get mentorship along the way. This hub is made possible thanks to a powerful alliance, CRDF Global, a global leader in capacity building and digital security, together with CyberSec Cluster and HackRocks. Whether you're just starting or already advanced, there's a place for you here. Digital Training Hub, your training ground to master cybersecurity. Are you up for the challenge?